Optimizing Power BI reports for speed is crucial for ensuring smooth performance, especially when dealing with large datasets. Here are some key techniques to improve report performance. 1. Data model optimization. Reduce data volume. Remove unnecessary columns. Keep only the required columns to reduce memory usage. Filter data at the source. Use SQL queries or Power Query to load only necessary rows. Aggregate data, pre-aggregate data where possible instead of performing calculations on the fly. Use star schema. Normalize your data model into fact and dimension tables instead of using a flat table. Use proper data types. Avoid using text columns where numbers or Boolean values can be used. Convert date time to date if the time portion is not required. Optimize relationships. Use single directional relationships whenever possible instead of bidirectional. Avoid many-to-many relationships as they impact performance. 2. DAX performance optimization. Use measures instead of calculated columns. Measures are computed only when needed, whereas calculated columns increase memory usage. Optimize DAX formulas. Use SUMX only when necessary, as it iterates row by row. Replace if statements with switch for better efficiency. Use var to store intermediate values in complex calculations. Avoid unnecessary calculations. If a measure is reused in multiple places, create a variable to store it instead of recalculating it multiple times. 3. Query performance optimization. Optimize Power Query M code. Disable auto-date time in Power BI settings to reduce unnecessary table generation. Remove unnecessary steps in the query editor. Use table.buffer in M code to prevent multiple reevaluations of the same data. Use direct query for large datasets. If the dataset is too large, consider direct query mode instead of import mode. Optimize SQL queries at the database level to ensure efficient querying. 4. Visual optimization. Reduce the number of visuals. Each visual requires a query execution, so reducing visuals speeds up rendering. Avoid using too many slicers and use filter panels instead. Use aggregations in charts. Avoid using granular level data in visuals. Instead, use pre-aggregated values. Use fewer measures in tables. When using tables, matrices, ensure only the necessary measures are included. 5. General best practices. Enable Performance Analyzer in Power BI to identify bottlenecks. Keep PB file size small by reducing unnecessary data. Regularly update index and statistics in the data source if using SQL Server. Would you like a specific area explained in more detail?